Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Moltres doing one of their fire attacks. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Moltres doing the fire attack, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right about here, and let's just go ahead and make a diagonal line that comes down. Next, we're going to make a little line that comes over this way. Then we're going to bring this line up to shape out the eye, kind of like a triangle shape. Next, we'll put one and then two curves in here and kind of color in that smaller one. For the beak, let's bring this line down with a curve. And then we're going to make this line kind of come out here. Then we're going to bring this to a point, a nice long skinny beak. Then right here we're going to bring this line down, and then we'll bring it back up here for the outside of the beak. And we'll put a little line up here. Now let's work on the top of the head. So let's begin here, and we're going to make a line that's going to go up and down, up and then down here to kind of shape out the head. And then right here we'll curve this line around. Next, let's bring this line over here for the neck. And then let's take this line and bring it down. Right here, we're going to go down and then up to kind of shape out the body. And then right here, we're going to go up and then down here to kind of make the top of the body or the back. For the wing, let's bring this line up and then down a little bit and then back up. Then we're going to bring this line out here. We can put a couple little points on it. Then we'll make a few more little points that kind of curve. Next, let's go ahead and make a couple more little points like this to kind of show the feathers. And we're going to do this kind of all the way along here, just kind of making more of these little curvy points. Then we're going to go down and up. Another one's going to go down and then up and then back down, kind of shape out that wing. Now, let's add the fire onto here. So I'm going to make some kind of pointed little lines like this that'll come down. Then we're going to make some wiggly lines, and we'll put some more kind of curvy points on here. We'll make some more kind of points and wiggly lines that kind of come up here. And then we'll just kind of make some more that come down. Now, down here, let's make the leg and the foot. So, starting here, let's bring this line that's going to go down and then come up for the leg. Then we'll make two lines that come down. We're going to bring this line down at an angle for one of the toes. Then we're going to make another one that comes down, and it's going to curve back and come up. We can also make a little triangle here. Let's make another one that's going to come down, make that little pointed angle, and we're going to bring it up to here. Then let's make a small little claw that's going to come down, and then up, and then over. Now let's make the foot over here. Let's bring this line down to a point, and then come up. We'll make another one that comes down to a point and up. And we'll make one that just comes straight off of there. Now, let's work on the hair of Moltres. So, let's make a line that's just going to kind of curve up and kind of wiggly and pointed like fire. Then we're going to make this kind of more wiggly and then pointed at the top. Then we're just going to kind of like shape this out with lots of little points. Then we're going to make another one that's going to kind of come up and just down to here. Now for this other wing, let's bring this line up. And we're going to make this one come up and then over. Let's bring this up and then out to here. Make it kind of pointed, and then we're just going to kind of make it a little wiggly as we come back down. Then we'll kind of add our little fire with lots of little points. Now for the tail back here, we're going to make some more of this kind of wiggly pointed fire. So we're just going to kind of make our lines come up. And we want to make a nice big tail, so we're going to make lots of fire back here. Then we're going to make a little area in here to kind of show that the tail is going to kind of come up and then go down. Now the final thing is we have to draw Moltres' Fire Blast. So I'm just going to start here. We're just going to make kind of like a line that's going to come down, and it's going to have some little points. We're going to go right off the paper. And then we're going to do the same thing on this side, making it kind of come down. And there you go. There is your drawing of Moltres doing the Fire Blast. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.